This little piece here needs a spring inside there and a washer. So yard sale find. Some old guys selling the springs, $2. Gotta be a spring in here. They're probably all these little ones are down the bottom, so we'll go digging. Here on the 55 Willys, just got done making this piece. Got the spring. Springs in here. Kind of made it just like the original. It's got a fancy thing. Look at that, it kind of busted up a bit. Went to the hardware store and bought a lamp knob, cut it off, drilled it out and tapped it. And it works great on that. Put a little washer here. Drill out another washer over here. So just getting ready to mount it into the channel for the sliding windows. We got the square nuts on there. Got that on there.